Bright, bold, and bursting with color. That's the best way to describe those stunning flower displays that you see outside malls and movie theaters, but they don't just happen by chance. Whether you're dressing up your front porch or your back patio, we are sharing what it takes to pull together a stunning floral showpiece. Brian Lloyd with Olson's Greenhouse is here to share 3 secrets to growing large and luscious container gardens this year, and we are surrounded by beauty. You too.
Oh, thanks,
we'll lump you into that for sure.
I appreciate that, but
good to
nothing
see you.
near the flowers.
Wow,
for sure.
good to see you. So we're so inspired, Brian, when we go out to these public places and we see these statements, right? These statement containers. And you say there's an art to that.
There is, and I mean, most people, they buy a beautiful container in the spring and they've got these grand hopes for it, and then it kind of peters out all summer long. I think that happens to the best of us. But I've got 3 tips to share with you today that'll keep that from happening, and we're gonna have our large, luscious containers all summer long ourselves.
So it's not just about like statement, it's about sustainability. Like they have to live with us through the season.
Yep, there's 3 specific things that I'll show you.
I can't wait, what's first?
The first one is you've gotta have enough soil volume or mix volume, root volume.
Okay.
This is kind of like a buffer, the bigger that you go. This is a 22-inch planter. Bigger is better, always, because the bigger you go, the more buffer you've got for mistakes. If you miss a watering, if you don't feed it as well, this will hold more water, it will hold more nutrients, and it will get us through those days when we might mess up a little bit.
It's like a suitcase where you can kind of pack away what's needed and keep it there for another day.
That's a great analogy, yeah. So bigger is better, and these are not too expensive. These are from Costco, they're less than 20 bucks for like a 22-inch container. I wouldn't go smaller for summer-long beauty. I wouldn't go smaller than like 16 or 18 inches.
Oh, really?
But bigger is better. So 20 to 30 inches, if you can get that big and fill it with plants, you're good to go.
See, I feel like that's almost a shocking tip in the sense that I see this and I think 2 things. I think it's big, so I've got to pay to fill it up, and I'm going to have to pay more attention to it because there's more circumference. But that makes sense how you described it.
Well, it's true that you have to pay to fill it up, but that will pay off in dividends down the road because you want that extra potting mix in there to help you out.
The extra stuff. Okay, what's next?
So second is just care and keeping. When you go to the malls or maybe cities like Roosevelt and Vernal have beautiful containers all the way down their main streets. When you go there, they have employees that will take care of those every day.
Is that your next tip? We need someone to take care of them every day?
Well, I've got 2 tips on how you don't need that. So 2 things. You can drip irrigate. So put a drip irrigation system in to water your containers on a timer every day, and then you'll never miss a beat.
Work up front, but worth it.
Yeah, and then another one that I'm getting into recently, because we can't always put drip irrigation wherever we want a planter, is these self-watering planters, and they've come a long way. I'm a big fan now.
Are you?
And especially of these ones from Crescent Garden. We've teamed up with Crescent Garden. They've supplied these 3 with the texture on the side, these gray colored containers, and these have a reservoir of water at the bottom of them. They'll hold gallons of water and slowly feed it to the plant every day. You don't have to fill these up like more than every week or 2 even. And sometimes you can get 3 weeks when it's not too hot out there. So you fill it up with water maybe once a week and forget it.
Really?
Yeah, it's amazing.
And the plants take what they need. Like it won't overwater.
It's got technology in. There's like the reservoir's at the bottom, and there's a cylinder of soil that goes down the middle of it, and it will slowly use capillary action to suck the water up and feed the roots.
It doesn't get
as
oversaturated.
It's needed, and it keeps the water away when they don't need it. So it works. It's been the technology's been around for 10 years. Laura from Garden Answer talked about these Crescent Garden containers, and if you go to our YouTube, I've got a YouTube at Dig in the Yard that talks more about these, and we've got a 15% off code. So they're a little bit more expensive, like a few $100s, but it's an investment. They've got a warranty on them. They'll last for 10 years or longer if you take care of them, and that's only like 30 or 40 bucks a year that you're investing to not have to water anymore.
Impressive.
I'll take it.
Yeah, so if you don't have the city crew to help you every day like the big cities do, that's a way to do it. We'll link you to that YouTube so you can be sure and get the discount code as well. Very nice, very nice. Okay, what's next?
So the third thing, so that's the first 2 tips. You gotta have the soil volume, you gotta be able to take care of them on a daily basis. But the third thing to get through all summer is genetics. My wife and I decided a long time ago, I'm 5'10", she's 5 feet, we're not gonna have an NBA player. It's the same in the world of plants. There are bigger petunias and smaller petunias. There's more compact geraniums and larger geraniums. And you need things like wave petunias or super petunias to get you through the summer and have a big, large, luscious container. It's all about the varieties that you choose. I've got a sample you can't go wrong with. These are all super petunias. And this is the Vista series. Vista is the largest of all the super petunias. They will get the biggest. They'll spread up to 3 feet per plant. So I've used these. I've taken 6 of them, and a sweet potato vine. It also gets very big.
Yeah.
And I've planted them over here in this container. This is like a bulletproof, summer-long, mall-type planter in your front yard. It's in a 22-inch container. And you're good to go.
Super petunias, the potato vines, some grasses, that's kind of your winning formula.
The purple fountain grass, and this thing will fill in just a few weeks, and it's going to put on its show. As long as you feed it all summer long and make sure it stays watered, then you're going to have a gorgeous container throughout the summer.
Well, we're surrounded by proof of everything you've said, so thank you for that 1, 2, 3 step point. And it's what everyone wants. I think, though, we do think of the porch as contained, our home as kind of a smaller playing field, but go big is kind of the message, right?
Exactly.
You have some great resources to help people who are trying this at home.
We do. We've got our YouTube at Dig in the Yard. We've got an Instagram account at Olson's Greenhouse Gardens. And this weekend we're doing ContainerFest, where we'll help you plant these containers up. You can buy the plants, bring an empty container from home, and we'll fill it with potting mix for free. This Saturday, all your local Home Depots across the Wasatch Front. And we'll help you with advice for what varieties to pick. This year is the 30th anniversary of Wave.
You're right here.
Right here.
Yeah.
Wave petunias are just like super petunias, super aggressive, big growing, and they've got a ton of colors. So we love Wave petunias. That's in these containers right here, all up front. All these different colors you're seeing are Wave petunias or super petunias, and we're going to help you out. The stores are loaded with them right now. It's time to get gardening.
Nice. So Saturday's the day. Your local Home Depot. Your teams will be on the ground helping. The free soil is such a nice perk. Sounds like a fun way to kick it off.
And visit that YouTube channel, Dig in the Yard, because we're also giving away a free Crescent Garden self-watering container this weekend.
There it is.
During ContainerFest. Yep.
Am I eligible?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Go ahead and
good.
watch the YouTube and you'll get more instructions.
I will. Thanks for being a smarty and helping us look our best. We appreciate it.
Yep.